Yep, that's the toddler. So good morning, guys. I guess I should say good afternoon. We had a little bit of a late start today. The Super Bowl game didn't end until I think just after 4 a.m. our time here in Germany. So we let everybody sleep in this morning. We got up at about 10. It's afternoon time now, but we're just now kind of functioning. I got a good shower and we had a little bit of a lazy morning this morning, but we'll get into it now that it's afternoon time. I'm kind of just letting the kids relax and rest up since we stayed up late watching the game.
Hey.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm talking to you. That's just what you need.
Why do you have that?
Because I need it.
For what?
For mommy getting pictures.
Oh, okay. So what did you tell me you needed?
This.
And what do you need for that?
A camera.
So you need a camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to buy one at the store?
Yeah. But I get at the store.
Oh, Daddy has to get it at the store.
See? I gotta get a camera at the store. Wait.
You got to talk to Daddy.
Look. See? See, it's all gone. See, I don't have a camera with you.
Oh, I'm gonna try this.
Look at you. It gets taller like mine.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So it gets taller. And it was just your face.
Right here.
Look, you're happy. Someone told me what's up. Someone say cheese.
Cheese.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
What are you doing?
Play with Playdoh.
Do you like Play-Doh?
Yeah, and summer too.
Look at all that Play-Doh. You having fun?
Yeah. I can't roll this.
I know. That's kind of hard, huh?
That's kind of hard. You can't do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Hold on. Let me help.
You. I can myself and try both away.
Want to try to roll this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you do?
I got it.
Then you will do the blue one. Then do the blue one, Mama.
Oh, I rolled it. You want the blue one? Okay. This one's a little harder. Ah, I don't know if I can do that one. Let's see. Oh, that one's, it's kind of cracking, but it's rolling. Not like that purple one did. That purple one rolled really easily.
What is that?
I think your blue's starting to dry out. Getting really cracky. See how that one didn't crack? This one's cracking.
Look.
It's kind of dried
Look,
out.
that's got Play-Doh here.
Oh, there's Play-Doh in there?
See?
You want me to get it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Look, that one is the blurry blinking. Like this purple one.
Alright, let me go see if I can find something to get this out.
I'm pointing fingers. Can you do your one finger? Can you do your finger? Mommy, can you do your fingers?
What fingers?
These fingers.
What do you, I don't understand.
All the fingers.
What about your finger?
Okay, these. On the Play-Doh.
Oh, you want your fingers in the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Here, you had green in there. I got it out. See?
Can you roll this one?
Like this? Put my fingers in it? Yeah, alright. Oh, I can try. This is a little one. There's not going to be much to roll. See? Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
This is a bigger one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Look, I did a orange one, a blue one, and a purple one.
All right, I'm gonna let you play with Play-Doh, okay?
This is who farted?
It's mine.
Hey, you fart. You smell like fart, Cailyn. Yucky hair.
Seriously,
I'm
Alexa?
so good.
You're so immature.
You smell like a fart, Cailyn.
Ewy.
I kind of fart.
Gotta take that away so it doesn't stay careless.
Hey!